Hi you guys, Jaleesa here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these finger coils using products from Qhemet Biologics. Alright you guys, so I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and as you can see I am wearing my new Aquis Luxe hair turban, and I am loving this turban because it absorbs water out of my hair so fast. It is secure on my head with a little button in front. It's super soft and it's big enough to fit around all of my big kinky curly hair. This turban was also very gentle on my curls. If you guys would like to check out where you can get one of these turbans from, I will leave a link down below for that. So like I said, my hair is damp right now. The turban did a good job of soaking up all of that excess water, and I am just going to begin by sectioning off my hair into 4 parts. So I'm starting off by applying the Burdock Root Buttercream from Qhemet Biologics, and I'm going to be applying this to that section of hair at the bottom, taking my spray bottle, spraying a little bit of water on it, not too much, and I'm applying this product onto my hair, and I don't need a whole lot because this product does a really good job of spreading throughout my hair. The next product that I'm going to be using to really provide a hold for my coils is the Qhemet Biologics Castor and Amla Nourishing Pomade. So I am taking some of this, and I really had too much for this one, so I put some of it back in the jar, but I'm taking that and applying that to that whole section of hair, and then I'm going to begin to coil my hair all the way down and really focusing on getting those ends smooth. So I'm going to continue this process, taking the buttercream first and applying that on top of my hair, and then taking the pomade and putting that on my hair to provide that hold. So I really want to make sure before I start finger coiling my hair to make sure that I brush all of the kinks out of my hair, because this is really going to help me to have a smooth foundation for coiling. I get asked all the time, how long does it take me to finger coil my whole head? Y'all, this only takes me about an hour, just as long as it takes any other style that I do. So the trick is I finger coil my hair in bigger sections. I may have a lot of finger coils at the very end of the style, but I finger coil in bigger sections, and once my hair is dry, you guys are going to see I separate the coils a lot to get that full head of coil. So I'm not taking all that time doing all those little coils like you guys think I am. Bigger sections and separate a lot more. Now, I'm not saying that this technique will work for you as well, but this is just what's been working for me and my hair texture. So I am just going to continue that same process all throughout my head until I am done. Alright guys, so once I was all done putting in all of my finger coils, I actually sat under a hooded dryer for about an hour and a half until my head was completely dry. And once I got ready to undo my finger coils, I started at the very back bottom of my hair, and I began to just pull the coil down and separate it where my hair naturally wanted to separate. And as you can see, I'm giving my hair a little twirl to form that curl again and to make sure that it's going back into place. So I'm going to continue that process all over my head until I am completely done, and then I'm going to show you guys what I do to touch up some sections of my coils. So like I told you guys before, the way that I get the full head of finger coils, I separate my coils a lot. So I'm not just separating 2 times or 3 times, I'm separating as many times as I can to get that really full look. The pomade and the buttercream from Qhemet Biologics really did a good job of leaving my hair soft, moisturized, and shiny. So if you're like me and you're someone who struggles with your hair maybe drying out whenever you do styles or looking a little lackluster and kind of frizzy, definitely give these products a try. Alright guys, so one side of my head is completely separated. It's separated as much as I am going to separate right now, and then I went in and separated my whole head. So that process took me about 30 minutes. So I have been doing this for a while. So as you do this style more and more, you get faster. So as you can see right now, I'm just touching up my curls at the bottom. I'm just taking some of that Burdock root buttercream and applying that to my ends just to get rid of some of the frizz that I may have gotten along the way. And this is my finished results, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let me know down in the comments, and be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share with a girlfriend. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.